Hell yeah, look at this good boy light. This going up in here. Feel me? Top of the day, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all didn't, man, we appreciate all the love. I introduced my boy B on the channel. We in here right now trying to get these light fixtures up. The bathroom toilet he put down yesterday. We still got the trim. From that, we're going to clean it up real nice. Make it real smooth. This the bathroom, though. My homie got this sink he had left over. He like, yo, bro, you could use it. Shit, I'm hoping that it work. I don't know. It's glass. I'm going to have to cut it to put the stuff in. I don't know. We're about to figure it out. I have to make sure this toilet work. I got the toilet supply line. Let me go to the car, grab that. We getting these outlets changed out. I got my boy Milk over here. You know what I'm saying? All new outlets. That white hitting that trim look good, too. Word. Feel me? All new outlets. New light switches, too. We ordered the light bulbs from... Look at that light fixture. Yeah. Yeah. I ordered the special light bulbs from Amazon, Home Depot taxing. I ain't gonna hold you. Boom. Boom. All new switches. Start from here. Like, yeah. Super sturdy. So I think about this kitchen light, man. That shit fire. That shit bright. I'm jacking that. Feel me? We got toilet. That's in. Gonna hit them walls with some more paint just a little bit. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the vanity right here. I need like an 18 by 10 or some shit, man. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I definitely need a small vanity. I have to go to Home Depot to check into it. See what I can find. Right now, we're putting up the living room light.
Hey, can you give me some more screws?
What kind?
Drywall screws.
What size?
Some longer ones.
We don't really got none. We got those. Appreciate you. We got some construction screws.
I got two right here, love.
How many more you need?
I need at least 2 more.
Alright. I told you that's a stud, ain't it?
Yeah.
I told you.
Why you couldn't see it?
I seen it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. You gotta listen sometime.
Oh shit, what's this?
Huh?
Never mind.
Yeah.
You got to listen, man.
You got to listen, man.
I need one more.
You need just one more, you say, when you get a chance. Just do the 3 for now.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
He changing them with the power on. My son a goat.
Oh, yeah. Shit ain't about nothing.
Shit light.
Not scary, you don't touch it.
Shit, I ain't doing it, so it's scary. I don't give a damn how tough you is. I ain't doing it. Pack your ass right up. You get packed up. You get packed up. You gonna be sick. Pow! I like this light fixture though. I feel like it's perfect for in here. God damn. You putting drywall up?
No, you see why I didn't want to use the fucking screws that were there?
Oh, it's 4 screws.
Hole.
Yeah, it's 4. Okay.
It's gonna hold and I want to hit the stud.
Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be a fan in there. Black and gold fan. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy. I ain't gonna lie. Shit coming together. The floor look beautiful. Let's see it. I gotta caulk these seams. See them little cracks? That all gotta get caulked today. That dead ass gotta get cracked today. Caulked today, man. This little gap right here gotta get fixed too. I need somebody to fix that. I might have my son B do that, whatever. It's a screw stuck in there though. But yeah, shit, this the progress we making today. You know what I'm saying? I wanna let y'all know too. I was kind of not discouraged, but I'm so ready to get the house done that I was gonna lose track of my content. Pack me up, feel me? But not for nothing, we still here though, man. You know what I'm saying? I'll keep y'all for the rest of the day, man. I had a rough start to my day, but I ain't gonna let that stop me, man. Listen, I get over to the house, B over here. I pick smoke up. I got smoke about to clean the basement today, right? Boom. And do a bunch of other shit. So I get here, drop them off. Nigga, why my car don't cut on? So now, pop the hood on the V. I'm like, damn, like, what's going on with the whip? Like, the battery got corrosion on it. Boom. So once the battery, we go outside, fix that, get sturdy. I take my cousin to go try to buy this crib, and he don't end up getting it, but whatever. I stopped by to where I deliver my stuff to go get the lights, the bulbs. Remember I told you I bought them from Amazon because Home Depot be taxing. Look how it look. Feel me? Today we got the countertops getting put in, which is right now. I just went to Home Depot 3 times today already. Tired as a mug. You know, the day is a beautiful day, but I want to show y'all these countertops. Yes, sir. Good granite. This real granite, right, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Real granite. We don't need no backsplash, right? That's all we need.
Tiles, do you have that? One more there and you get.
You don't need no tiles, right?
You don't know. With that one, you don't need.
Mm-hmm.
Same one.
They match the floor, right? The countertops?
Beautiful.
Yes, sir. So do you cut the holes too for the
I'm gonna do it now.
Okay.
I'm waiting to dry.
A faucet going there. Damn, y'all almost done already, huh?
Yes, sir.
Smoke cleaning out the basement. Oh shit. We about to paint down on that dust. You good? Nah, I ain't walking in that dust. We got that back porch painted back there. What you about to put that on?
Yeah, because it's going to be right in the light, right in the fucking waves right now.
Alright, so go ahead. Your hair wet.
Yeah, it's right up.
Trying to decide if I should do backsplash or not when I got that them little backsplash countertop pieces they gave me. I don't think I really need it. Also from my order, smoke detectors in the carbon monoxide thing came too. So smoke. That's another thing I need you to do.
What's that?
Smoke detectors. They all in here. One in each room, one in the hallway. No kitchen, no bathroom. Too much dust. We ain't going down there right now. We're gonna walk right into it. No.
Nah, let it clear up.
Yeah, once it clear out. Then you got smoke. He got to do this window. See how I got all that paint on it and all that? He about to. I just bought this stuff for him to scrape that off the windows. It's like 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. We're gonna get that together. Oh shit. You know. I'm gonna also have smoke do these windows. These come out. We're gonna take them out, scrape them, paint them. Feel me? Yeah, like it's time. I'm about to get this shit together. I'm trying to be done by Sunday. It's Tuesday right now. Shit, we get out of here by Sunday. We good. Get some offers and shit go crazy. Backyard still look good. Got the flooring right there just so that we won't dirty up the white. You know what I'm saying? Still got a little cleaning up to do back here, but there's some good boards back there. I won't lie to you though. I'm happy on how this shit going, man. I'm gonna keep y'all in tune though, you heard? This just made my day better. This good granite joints. Buy this real granite. Tell them, man. They don't know no better.
That shit's like a cutting board, man.
What?
You can cut on that and everything.
Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. How long these countertops last, bro?
This?
Yeah.
Whatever. For a lifetime.
this one is the cabin is gonna die before the granite.
Wow.
You ain't lying.
This stone is being.
The cabin's to be falling apart and the granite still be hanging on the wall.
Yeah.
They,
What's up?
I'm gonna cut this down, alright?
Yeah, we gotta build out, don't we?
Oh, it is kind of built out, but yeah, we're gonna have to rip some fucking shims to go in between here.
I'm talking about that piece above the door.
I might have to rip this off right
Whatever, we just gotta figure it out.
here.
Let's see. Basement. Getting cleaned up. Getting on. Should look good, Smoke. Yeah, you could probably roll this basement, bro.
I just said it. That's why I told you to bring the road.
Yeah. This could get rolled. Facts. It's not like it's creases between the bricks, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
By the time you get that spread, and they talking about that shit clogged up.
And do all that other shit, yeah.
I've been here until next week.
Word.
Fucked up.
Look good down here, though. Fendi facts. Yeah. Pack their ass up. Feel me? Pack their ass up. Don't tell them nothing. That black y'all just saw on that basement wall too. It's because right here we gotta get an extension piece to go out away from the door. Boom. So that people don't, so that the water don't just fall directly into the foundation.